Buchanan coming to you from Everyday Guy. Today what we're doing in our part of our What's in the Fridge here, got some seared tuna that we found that I have. I've already seasoned it, had a little marinade for it's been about 30 minutes. It's just kosher salt, pepper, cracked pepper, and a little garlic. To go along with that, I'm going to make a nice little hash, but a little bit different. We got some purple potatoes that found at the farmer's market with carrots, portobello mushrooms, and celery. And in addition to that, we're going to make a little salsa, but a little twist to it. Cucumbers, fresh tomatoes for cow, and I got a little special ingredient for you. Stay tuned. So let's go. So, got some fresh cucumbers. I like the seedless kind. You can use whatever you want, but for me, I just use the seedless. I put a little ricao in there, which is ricao is like a cilantro. I'm gonna chop up a tomato. Put a little bit of tomato in it. Pepper. Salt. A little basil. Olive oil. Balsamic vinegar, just a tad, because I like it. And now the special ingredient. Put a little apple in it. So I forgot, it has some baby corn. It's delicious. You can eat it right out of the can. No need to cook it. Chop that. Put a little lemon juice, a little lime juice. It could be lemon, lime, whatever you have. And some green onions. Notice I'm just using the green part of the green onion. I use it all, cook with it all. So there you go. I'll just toss it. You like to prepare this a little bit in advance, for a day if you want, in the refrigerator. As it marinates and the flavors get together. So, here we go. Let that sit. Put this in the refrigerator and come back and get our hash and gonna get the tuna going. All right, we've got our pans hot. Now let's add the oil and use some old peanut oil over here for the hash. A little bit. Most important thing, the pan's already hot. And we're going to add in our celery, potatoes, and the carrots. A little salt. Little pepper. I don't know why, but I like dill. And to make the little things interesting, a little bit of chili powder. The skillet, old-fashioned skillet, so I can get a nice burn on it, nice sear on it. Burn, sear, Here I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can see it smoking up. It's hot. Let's get one of the tunas going. That's good. I like that sear. Let it sear. Tunas get done real quick. Even though it's thick, you use a good grade of tuna. It's done pretty quick. Can you sear? Nice and thick. Let's do it on the other side. Clean up as we go. Because I'm cooking one for moms, you know, I got to turn one on the side and let it cook all the way through. You know, got to make sure it gets done all the way. So I'm going to do that. I'll turn this. Now, what we want to do, this pan, let it cool down a little bit. I thought I'd take some of the so I just took some of the apples, throw them in, kind of saute a little bit. I'll make a little sauce to go over the tuna. So we got the apples with some scallions, searing. You know, settle down a little bit. Go add a little soy. Squeeze in a little lime. Throw in a little ground ginger. Cayenne pepper. That was a lot, but I like it. You know what we like. Let's add a little dab of butter. Butter makes it worth it. All right. So that's going to just simmer and melt the hash. Looks like it's done. It's about ready. Throw in at the last minute. We want to throw in the mushrooms. Tops with some green scallions. So what we're going to do, top that off. Couple pads of butter. There you go. Alright. Can't wait to taste. Let's cut off everything and plate up. Now it's time to plate up, so let's get the got the tuna over here. Want to just sprinkle those apples. Let everything drip over it. Not trying to coat it too much. Just get a little bit of, you know, different layers of seasoning. Flavor. Okay. So here you see, it's turned out pretty nice. A little salsa. Gonna serve it up. We got the hash. I threw in some tomatoes with it, just to give it a little bit more coloring. And then the seared tuna. We topped with scallions and apple and a little lime and butter sauce. You know, lime butter, soy sauce. I don't know what you want to call it. I don't have names. I'm not good at names. This is it. Watch out and enjoy Everyday Guy TV. See, I want you to see something. Even though the tuna looks burned on the outside, you know, it's nice and pink on the inside. That's the way I like it, my tuna. It's cold outside, but it's warm in here. Got good food. Everyday Guy. Try the salsa. Definitely love it. Hash. Potatoes and butter. Like it. Maybe I could put a little bit spicy. Sometimes I like the spicy. Last but not least, tuna. Sauce made the difference. Hey, have a good day. Remember, everyday guy, I'm Walter Cannon. Que rico.